Well, alright. I'm on my shit. Really? Okay, so you with me. I bust it open for a nigga who be trill like me. Bust it open for a nigga made a meal like me. I came up on who shot your word to B.I.G. I'm up in VIP. Like, yeah, you bad and all, but come here, let me see ID. Handed off the King Yada. What it look like, G? Alright, she good. Up on the couch with me. So promoters bring the bottles. All these women out here thirsty. I got cougars out here with me. 41 but look like 30. Won't admit up to her age, but heard it from a little birdie. Asking women for their numbers. Fuck it, I don't think they heard me. Oh my, I'm gone in this bitch. All this money couldn't be wrong in this bitch. She like Squeezy, baby, sing a song in this bitch. She'll tell the DJ go put it on. So shawty, stop playing with him. And let me see you twerk some. Shawty, stop playing with him. And let me see you twerk some. She got bands in her hands when that cash hit the flow. She says she need more, with hit girl, there you go. Bring me more ones if that ass hit the flow. I'ma go ahead and let this cash go. So shawty, stop playing with him.
Jdavinci in his bitch. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking questions, I'm designing to the fit. And if you want me at your party, man, just text me that it's lit. Oh, bad bitches only in my section. Bitches only, and that's a lesson. Cause I brought my nigga out here with me, and he down to catch a body, so please don't you test him. Now I'm twerking with a cause. Got some thirsty niggas in the drinks up from the bar. Please do respect, I only fuck with 5 stars, and I don't reply back unless that's
so
what
shawty, stop playing with him.
Stop playing with a nigga.
And let me see you twerk some. Shawty, stop playing with him.
Stop playing with a nigga.
And let me see you twerk some. She got bands in her hands when that cash hit the flow. She says she need more, with hit girl, there you go. Bring me more ones if that ass hit the flow. I'ma go ahead and let this cash go. So shawty, stop playing with him.
Stop playing with a nigga.
And let me see you twerk some. Shawty, stop playing with him.
Stop playing with a nigga.
And let me see you twerk some. She got bands in her hands when that cash hit the flow. She says she need more, with hit girl, there you go. Bring me more ones if that ass hit the flow. I'ma go ahead and let this cash go. So shawty, stop playing with him.
This ain't no sport, I ain't playing no games. Put that on my mama, grind that made me this way. Nigga keep talking, use his tongue as fish bait. Swear I done clocked 100K since this May. Can miss May cause we don't play round here. I be after this money, nigga, ATM. Went from black man winning in Mercedes Benz. Then I got a new Audi and a brand new bitch. If you're looking for me, know that I be sitting low. Your girl all up on me, wanna know what I be sipping on. Now shorty, I can tell you on a mission, like a missionary, bitch. I'm a cold ass nigga, born in February. Understand I'm talking cold like some iced tea. In the bed making movies like I'm Spike Lee. Shopping for a man, press the button, she said try me. Shout out to my niggas down forever, yeah, my life feast. Baby, when you bend it over, can you touch your toes? Do it for a real nigga, can you throw it low? Baby, when you bend it over, can you bust it open? Do it for a real nigga when you throw it low. Baby, when you bend it over, can you touch your toes? Do it for a real nigga, can you throw it low? Baby, when you bend it over, can you bust it open? Cause I got a couple niggas selling retail, got a couple niggas selling in the street. Mama said spare